kukhona abamhlophe bengeke bavume and then ukuthi usondele kibo. I remember when nasiya esikolweni ibhasi lethu labantu abamnyama sisuka lapha eSandra ngiya eDelmas, ibhasi labelungu lilayishe 4 yabantwana, elethu ligcwele phampam, abanye abantwana beme ngezinyawo. I was one of them. If ibhasi livela ligcwele ukuthi I'll be standing until la engiyohlika khona because singabantu abamnyama. Ibhasi lethu lahlukanisiwe kayi-2, elabelungu lihamba phambili, then labantu abamnyama liza ngasemuva, then lizofike lime ku-bus stop yabo. Ni blanke. Shooter blacks will have their own bus stop and the whites will be having. Sihlukane ngama-200 meters ama-bus stop ethu. Kwakuyihlazo ibhasi labelungu lime la kuma khona ibhasi labantu abamnyama. Sibonile i-apartheid ngikhula, like the system in the post office whereby on the other side kungena abantu abamnyama, on the other side kungena abantu abamhlophe. That was an apartheid emina engi-experiencile